How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So now today we are going to learn about the new topic and the name of the topic is empathy map. So we'll try to understand the meaning of empathy first and then we'll go further with the topic. Let's start. So what is the meaning of empathy? The empathy meaning is the ability to share someone else's feeling or experiences by imagining what it would be like to be in that person's situation. So ultimately why we are drawing empathy map to understand the user situation so that we can design the product according to their perspective. So here you can see the picture where what we have to do, being a designer, we have to understand their world, we have to see their world, we have to appreciate them as a human beings, we have to communicate our understanding and we have to match our understanding with their requirement, right? And we have to understand their feelings as well. So basically what is empathy map? Empathy map is nothing but it's a collaborative tool and which is being used by teams, and the team is using this tool to gain a deeper insight into their customers are nothing but the users. So to understand the requirement of users, we are using the empathy map. Empathy map was originally created by Dave Gray, and currently in the field of design thinking community, it is a most popular tool. So let's go further to learn about more the empathy map. So empathy map, we can conduct various sessions, and by understanding these sessions requirement you can go ahead to draw the empathy map. So how to conduct an empathy map session? So first you have to assemble your team and them let them know that they have to bring some data, some insights about the target users for your empathy map. In the next step what you have to do, you have to hand them sticky notes, so that and sticky notes along with a marker, so that whatever the inputs they are having, they can note it down somewhere on the whiteboard. Then in the next step what you have to do, here you have to instruct them that each person should write down their thoughts on stickies. Means whatever input they have taken from the users, they are going to segregate that input and accordingly they are going to put it somewhere on the whiteboard, that I will show you in the coming slide. So here ideally everyone would add at least one sticky to every section. So what are these sections where these stick-ons are going to be on the whiteboard? We will see in the coming slide. But before going to draw the empathy map, we should ask some question to our team, right? Because these questions are very much important in terms of the empathy map. So what are these questions you can ask with your team or your brainstorming session? The first question is that what the user be thinking and feeling, what are some of their worries and aspiration. Second question is that what would their friends, colleagues and boss be likely to say while the user is using your product, what the user here in this scenario. The third question, what would the user see while using our product in their environment? Fourth question, what might the user be saying or doing while using our product? Because we are designing, so you have to ask this question. The fifth question, what are some of the user's pain points or fears when using our product? And the last question, what gains might the user experience when using our product? So after asking this six type of question, remember you are not supposed to be limited with the number of questions. You can ask more questions as well, because what you have to do, you have to understand the environment of the user, right? So once you are done with asking the question with yourself as well as your team, you can move ahead with the next step, and that next step is how to draw the empathy map. So here you can see one example. So in the center user will come, okay, the name of user will come, and the problem like what you want to do or what user want to do. Okay, so here I have taken the example that a particular user want to purchase a mobile. Okay, so remember, if you want to draw an empathy map, there are four quadrants. Okay, so first quadrant is think, second is feel, third is does, and the fourth one is says. So based upon the input required, based upon the input from the user, you are going to put the different stick-ons in different section. Okay, so now we will start with the think quadrant. What a user will think when he or she wants to purchase a mobile. User may ask this type of question: what is best for me? Why is this so hard to select a particular mobile? Why wasting too much time? Then too many acronyms for mobile? Then maybe this is not the best choice for me. Do they think I am a stupid because I am investing more time? Then I want something awesome because this is my requirement. So these are the points where a user can think in this direction. You can add more point in these directions as well, or this quadrant as well. Now comes to the next quadrant, that is feel quadrant. So user may feel while searching it, user may feel overwhelmed, maybe unsure who to trust, maybe sometimes scared or feared, excited, inadequate, or happy, right? So ultimately, it is the choice of the user what they are feeling while they want to purchase a mobile. Now comes to the next quadrant, that is does quadrant. So there are some feeling like, or there are some questions he can ask, like he can do the checking of the website, right? They can list out the pros and cons related to that mobile. He will do more research. Then they can compare existing product, and these thing we are also doing. We are comparing the existing product because we want to have the best one. Then we are going to check offline stores, then ask friends and relative. So once you are done with these type of question, you are going to take small decision, then you will reach out to your final decision. So similar type of actions is being performed by the users as well. And then we can go to the says quadrant, where you have to consider what user will say about a particular mobile. Maybe he or she will say, I was expecting something different, I want something reliable. What do you think? Then from where should I start searching for the mobile phone? Which brand should I go for? And the last question you can ask, that what is the best size for me? But remember, you don't have to limit with all this question, right? You can explore these quadrants one by one with number of question, and understand what are the users are thinking and purchasing, then saying, then feeling, then doing for purchase of that mobile. So what you have to do ultimately, you have to be in the environment of the user. You have to be in the shoes of the user so that you can design the product according to their requirement. So that is all about the empathy mapping, how to draw it as well. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.